Howdy, my name's Dakota. I became sheriff about 11 years ago February. I've been keeping this town safe from mailmen, squirrels, and any other loud noises that may happen. I've been just fine for 7 years. Then they got my deputy here, Pink, to help out with all the smaller jobs, like chasing bugs, snakes, and any other floaties out in the yard. Now I spend most of my time in the office and let Pink do a lot of the legwork.
Hey y'all, I'm Pinky. Pinky Davy Dog, I'm sometimes called. My mom here rescued me 3 years ago, where I was wandering around the parking lot mostly and running into traffic. I would go into the local bar a lot and just hang out and beg and look cute just to get a hot meal. Now that's all in the past, and I've got a respectable job now here helping Sheriff Dakota with duties around the town. It's pretty safe around here, so siesta time is a great bonus, and I've learned a lot from Dakota, and I look forward to all the future years I have here.
Till next time, that's our story. Uh-oh!